Hello guys, welcome back to the Python crash course. In this video, we'll explore membership operators in Python. So these operators are incredibly simple but yet powerful when working with collections like strings, lists, sets, tuples, dictionaries. So let's try to observe what are membership operators about. So in as well as not in are membership operators. So membership operators only work on iterable. So iterables are nothing but which are having the capacity to hold nothing or at least something. So if I consider some example like list, so list can be an empty list and also we can have some elements in the list. Similarly, when you consider a string also, string can be an empty string or some characters in string. Similarly, if I take for sets, set can be an empty set or a dictionary and you can also have some values inside the sets. Similarly for tuples as well as for dictionaries. Membership operators all the time returns the value either true or false. So let's observe with some examples. So now if I want to check the value, the 2 present in the list 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, the value 2 is present, so the output is true. Similarly, if I want to check the character A in the string A, E, I, O, U, as a character A is present in the string in the sequence, so the output is true. Similarly, if I want to check some strings in a string, that is also possible. So hello in hello world. So if you observe, the string what you want to compare hello is completely in lowercase, but in the string hello world, H is in capital case. So there is a mismatch. So we can say the output is false. So now let's observe the last example, 1 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you observe here, we might simply assume the output to be true. But here we get the output to be error. So why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not an iterable. So let's observe these outputs in our ideally. So if you want to check 1 in the list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is present. Similarly, if I want to check the value 6 present in 1, 2, 3, 4, it's false. Similarly, if you want to check some character A present in the string A, E, I, O, U, yes. So if you want to check hello, so which is present in hello world, it's false. So if you want to check the digit one, which is present in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you would get something like error. So saying that integer is not an iterable. So that's all for this membership operators. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.